Hi, I'm Terry, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Today we're going to make mini corn dog muffins, mini corn dog bites. These make the perfect snack, whether for after school, watching a movie, or just any time. They can be made and frozen so that you have them ready to stick in the microwave anytime you want, and they're really easy to make. So let's get started. These are quick and easy to put together. All you need is one box of Jiffy mix or one packet of the Jiffy mix that we made up before. Add it to a bowl. We have one slightly beaten egg and 2 tablespoons of oil. A third of a cup of milk. This actually works well with water as well. And we're just going to beat that together. Sometimes, depending on the weather, it might be a little bit stiff. If it is, just add a little extra milk or a little extra water. You can see mine looks a little stiff, so I'm going to add just a couple more tablespoons of water. Now you can make this in a regular size muffin pan if you want. We're going to use a mini pan. I have just a little bit of spray oil in the bottom of each one. We want just a couple of teaspoons of batter in each one. Want them to be about 2/3 full. This is supposed to make about 24 muffins. Some of them are more shallow than others, so on the deeper ones you might only get 12 or 15. Now we need 4 hot dogs, just your favorite brand, and bun-length hot dogs. You need about 4 of those, and you're going to cut them basically in quarters. If they look too tall, just go ahead and take them out and cut them. That one looks a little tall to me. Now you're going to put them in a 400-degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes until the muffin is done. When they come out, I'll show you how they look. Also, if you don't want to heat up the house and you're doing this in the summertime, you can make them in your air fryer just as easily. Get your little egg bites cup, put a little bit of spray in the bottom, and just go through the same method. Put some of your batter down in the egg cup. We're just using some leftover batter here, so we're not going to have a full one. It'll give you an idea just how it works for an air fryer as well. And then we take our hot dogs. Okay, set them in our air fryer, and we're going to set it for between 9 and 7 minutes. Let's go 8, and temperature at 350, and start. And so there we have it, our little mini corn dog bites out of the oven. These over here are the ones that came out of the egg bite mold and the air fryer. You want them to cool just a second before you take them out of the pan, and then they're ready to go. So we've got a quick plate full of mini hot dog corn dog bites, ready for a snack in the afternoon or at night while watching TV, or even add them to dinner with a bowl of hearty soup like our taco soup we made a couple of weeks ago. Enjoy this recipe. It will be in the description box along with a link so that you can print it out for yourself. And I'll see you next time with another new recipe. Till then, have fun in the kitchen.